So I just tried to log into MyLawson and I received this error. And initially I thought the website was down, but that's actually not what's going on. Banner or MyLawson or Lawson or whatever you want to call it, it is very sensitive, meaning that if you log on it enough or you log on it a lot of times within the same, let's say 48 hours, sometimes it just stops communicating with your computer. So you may see a message like this, or all of a sudden your system's not working. But like say yesterday you were able to log in, but today you're not, and your password hasn't changed, your username hasn't changed. So you probably have something similar to what's going on with my computer right now. So if you get a crazy message, so try this. So what this really means is that you have to really either clear your browsing history or clear your cache. So I'm going to show you how I do this on my computer. So again, you need to go to settings on your computer. For me, I can just click these little three little hamburgers over here, and I can come over here, and then I'm going to go to settings. And your system may be slightly different, but then I'm going to go to clear my browsing history. That's what I need to do. So I'm going to go to clear my browsing history, and usually I pick the last 7 days. So I'm just going to clear my data, and I recently cleared it, so it didn't take long, but sometimes it may take about 1 or 2 minutes. So once you clear your history, and I'm going to go to MyLawson, and I'm going to plug in my username and password. And don't look at this, students, because employees have a different login than students. You all use A numbers, so don't let that confuse you. But I'm going to plug in my credentials, and I'm going to sign in. And there we go. I'm in. So this is just a quick trick in case it looks like you all of a sudden you can't log in, or you start getting really weird script messaging back. You just have to clear your browsing history, and you can gain access back to MyLawson. I hope this quick tip has helped.